Welcome to this lesson on lag, also known as delay in system response. Lag is one of the most common issues you'll encounter when using computers, playing online games, or using the internet. Understanding what lag is and how it affects your digital experience is important for everyone who uses technology. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about lag, from what causes it to how you can fix it. So let's get started. Lag, also called latency, is the delay between when you perform an action and when you see the result on your screen. Think of it like this: you click a button, but nothing happens immediately. There's a wait time before your computer responds. This wait time is the lag. Lag is measured in milliseconds, which are thousandths of a second. For example, if you have 50 milliseconds of lag, that's just 50 thousandths of a second. Even though it sounds tiny, lag can be very noticeable and annoying. In simple terms, lag makes your system feel slow and unresponsive. There are different types of lag, and each comes from different causes. Network lag happens when your internet connection is slow or far from the server. This is common when playing online games or watching videos. Input lag is the delay between pressing a key on your keyboard or clicking your mouse and the computer registering that action. System lag occurs when your computer doesn't have enough power to handle what you're doing. This happens when you don't have enough RAM or your processor is too old. Display lag is caused by your monitor or screen and how fast it can refresh the image. Lag affects people in different ways depending on what they're doing. In gaming, lag makes it almost impossible to play well. Your character doesn't move when you want, and you can't shoot accurately because of delays. When browsing the web, lag causes websites to load slowly. Studies show that over 50% of people leave a website if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. For video calls and messaging, lag creates awkward pauses and makes conversations difficult. For businesses, even 1 second of delay can cause a 7% decrease in sales. That's why companies spend a lot of money making sure their systems are fast. There are several ways to reduce lag. First, you can upgrade your hardware. Getting more RAM, a faster processor, or a better graphics card all help. Second, you can clean up your computer by closing unnecessary programs running in the background. Third, for network lag, you can use a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi, which is much faster. You can also move closer to your wireless router. Fourth, for programs and websites, developers can optimize their code and use techniques like caching, which stores frequently used data nearby so it loads faster. Preventing lag is better than fixing it later. Good system design includes load balancing, which spreads requests across multiple servers so no single server gets overloaded. Monitoring your system performance continuously helps you catch problems early before they cause lag. Caching is a powerful technique where frequently accessed data is stored in fast memory locations instead of slow storage. Asynchronous processing means your system doesn't wait for one task to finish before starting another, which makes everything feel faster. To improve lag, you first need to measure it. Response time is the total time from when you make a request to when you get a response, measured in milliseconds. You can calculate average response time and compare it to peak response times to find problems. Many free tools help you measure lag. Tools like Apache JMeter, Google PageSpeed Insights, and Pingdom let you test your system's performance. For websites, a response time under 3 seconds is acceptable. For video games, you want less than 100 milliseconds. For very responsive applications, you should aim for less than 50 milliseconds. Advanced techniques to reduce lag include multi-level caching, which stores data in multiple places for faster access. Database indexing makes searching for data much faster, sometimes by 90%. Using a content delivery network, or CDN, keeps data stored on servers close to where users are located, so data doesn't have to travel far. Load balancing distributes traffic across multiple servers to prevent any single server from becoming overloaded. These techniques work together to create fast, responsive systems. Let's compare systems with high lag versus optimized systems. With high lag, response times are over 500 milliseconds, which feels very slow. Users abandon websites within 3 to 5 seconds, and you have no caching or optimization. This results in high bounce rates and lost revenue. Games feel unresponsive and are impossible to play competitively. After optimization, response time drops to just 50 to 100 milliseconds. Users stay engaged, conversion rates increase by 7%, and games feel smooth and responsive. The difference is dramatic and directly impacts user satisfaction and business success. To keep your system running smoothly, you need monitoring tools. Apache JMeter is a free, open-source tool that simulates traffic and measures how your system performs under load. Google PageSpeed Insights analyzes your website's performance and gives you suggestions for improvement, and it's completely free. SolarWinds SAM is a professional tool for companies that need to monitor servers in real time and get alerts when problems happen. Pingdom monitors your website's availability from over 100 locations around the world, so you know your site is always fast for your users. Using these tools regularly helps you catch and fix lag problems before they impact your users.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.